Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Abdur Rahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarpura, class 11th, subject economics. Today, the topic for I am going to deliver my lecture is main features of foreign trade. Main features of foreign trade. In previous this lecture yesterday, we have discussed what about the importance of foreign trade. Now, what are the main features of foreign trade after independence? After independence, the main features of foreign trade are as number one, number one, increasing share of increasing 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 share of gross national income. Increasing share of gross national income. Foreign trade has a significant role in India's national income. In 19 in 1950 51 and 1950 in 1950 51, India's foreign trade, imports and exports accounted for 12% of net national income. 12% of net national income. 12% यानी इसके जरिए से इसका 12% है पूरे में जो नेट नेशनल इनकम इन 2014-15 it increased and 2014-15 it increased from it increased 52.8%. 52.8%. 52.8% of the net national income. And number two is दूसरा पॉइंट इसके लिए है लेस परसेंटेज ऑफ वर्ल्ड trade. Less percentage of world trade. However, share of India in world trade has been diminishing. In 1950-51, India accounted of 1.8% of world trade, world's total import, and 2% of world's total export. In 2005 and 6, India's share in total world's exports were down to 1.0%, and total world exports to 0.89%. And 2014-15, India's share in world export was 2%, and in world import it was 2.6%. And point number 3, oceanic trade. Number 3 is oceanic trade. Oceanic trade. Most of India's foreign trade is through sea routes. India has very little trade relations with her neighboring countries like Nepal, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, etc. About 68% of India's foreign trade is oceanic trade. That means कितना है ओशनिक ट्रेड 68% जो है हिंदुस्तान का ये ओशनिक ट्रेड के साथ होता है. एंड नंबर 4 इज dependence on a few ports. Dependence on a few ports. यानी इनका दारमदार इनका इन्हिसार जो काम चल रहे थे वो कुछ बंदरगाहों पे था, यानी बंदरगाह कुछ थे, ज़्यादा नहीं थे. India's foreign trade is mainly through Mumbai, Calcutta, and Chennai ports. These ports are therefore always crowded. After independence, more ports have been developed, especially in Kandala, Koyan, Visakhapatnam, etc., to cope with heavy cargo traffic. And number fifth is increase in volume, increase in volume and value of trade, and value of trade. Increase in volume and value. Since independence, the volume and value of India's foreign trade have increased substantially compared to the past. The volume of value of India's imports and exports have increased manifold. In 1939, in 1939, her imports were worth rupees 152 crore and exports rupees 169 crore. Thus, the total value of India's foreign trade was rupees 321 crore. Immediately after independence, this is in 1948-49, the value of foreign trade had gone up to the rupees 792 crore. In 2015 and 16, it increased to rupees 24 lakh 6,680 crore. Of it, the export were of the value of 17 lakh 16,380, and imports of the value was 24 lakhs 90,300 crore. Hope you have understood this, and after inshallah tomorrow I will explain point number 6. Assalamu alaikum.